So the first step to personal protective equipment is cleaning your hands using hand sanitizer. This takes about 15 to 20 seconds. So palm to palm, right palm over left dorsum with interlaced fingers and vice versa. Palm to palm with fingers interlaced. Backs of fingers to opposing palms with fingers interlocked. Rotational rubbing of the thumb and vice versa. Rotational rubbing backwards and forwards with the clasped fingers of the right hand and vice versa. And then rub the gel over all the surfaces of your hands and fingers until your hands are dry. Next, we're going to place our gown on. So long sleeve gowns should be used to prevent body contamination. The gown does not need to be sterile, but it should be fluid resistant. The gown should be tied at the back. If the provided gown does not fit, you can wear one gown as you would a coat, tied at the front, and wear a second gown as you would normally. You can ask your partner to help tie your gown at the back. Next is our fit tested N95. So you should be fit tested annually for your N95. N95s are not a universal fit for all face shapes and sizes. It's important to always perform a seal check when first putting on the mask. Seal checks are done by covering the mask with your hands and gently inhaling and exhaling. When inhaling, the mask should clap slightly. As you exhale, there should be not a feeling of leaks or air escaping. Readjust the position of the mask or nose until you get a good seal. Don't forget, the back strap should be touching the skin of your neck without interference from strands of your hair. Next, we're going to put on our full face shield. This is to prevent droplets, for example viruses, from entering the eye mucosa. It offers protection from exposure to infectious droplets or blood and body fluids via splash or spray. Finally, we wear our gloves. It's important to ensure you fit the gloves over the cuff of your gown. And it's important that you do a stretch afterwards to make sure all your PPE is in place. Don't forget, you can use your partner as an observer to make sure that your PPE is on appropriately.